Hey guys, so this is going to be my first YouTube video going over some stocks for the week that I'm looking at to trade, plays on, and even some long-term holds on these. This account is mostly going to be me going over stuff like this and maybe some other personal finance items as well. So, first stock I figured we'd look at is NEO. It's a pretty popular stock, almost it's borderline meme stock territory, but looking at this stock, I have some plays on it for next week. I drew some lines here. We all know lines really don't mean anything. We just draw them to feel better about ourselves. But this is the first line here. So Neo had this run up last week. Well, not last week, a couple weeks ago. It hit $55. Then it's been pretty much on the decline ever since. It also had a little rump to $47 last week. So as you can see, we had like after this peak, we had some low here, and then we had like the lowest low, and then we had a little bit of a higher low here. That's why I feel like this is the start of a comeback. If you got in at $40, if you bought some shares, it's great. It was a great price to get in at. I wish I bought some shares there. But NEO overall is a solid company. If this month their deliveries are as predicted or go up, we can definitely see this stock continue to rise. Maybe probably like $50, $60 by the end of the year, maybe more than that. Who knows with hype these days. But I have some plays for next week. If we go to the 1 day, 1 minute, I have some $50 calls. Very risky. Probably not going to hit $50, but I can make some profit on those. We can see Neo. I bought my calls mostly around down this area, down here, and it ran up a little bit. Made a little bit of money on those. I'm still holding them into next week. They expire next week. Another stock I want to talk about is Alibaba. So we go back to the 5 day. Let's go to the let's go to the 20 day. So here, if we Baba's been Chinese government's not doing us any favors here. I'm personally in Baba at a lot higher price than it is right now, but I believe in this stock. I think it's going to come back very strong in the next few years. So definitely a long-term hold stock. My point right now is you should buy. I think Baba is a buy under around $211. So right now, $206, that's what it's at. I'd load up more if I had the capital, but we see it hit this low of 193. I don't know about that, but let's this low of 200 right here. It bounced off that. It bounced off 204 and it bounced off 204 again. So we see this little line right here, bounced off 204 again on Friday. So yeah, Baba is definitely a long-term hold stock. I also have some call plays on it for next week that I've already made a couple $100 on. I don't go super risky with my options, so we can definitely see. I think Baba has a chance to, just like right here, run up to like $215 over a few days next week. See, it hits these lows, it makes these runs, it has these dips, like maybe over a course of 2 days or a day, and turns around and has these runs that it goes on. At least in the past 2 weeks, that's what it's been doing. So Baba is also a great long-term hold. So Baba and Neo are what I'm mostly looking at doing next week. I also want to talk about AMC. Not big on AMC. I've lost money on AMC. I'm sure a lot of people have, but it's just crazy. The random. It just has this huge run down. Bottoms out at $31, spikes up, bottoms out again around $30. For some reason, runs all the way up to $45. If there's a catalyst, let me know. I have no idea why I did that. And then just immediately turns around and goes back down to like $35. I'm hoping personally AMC runs down to like $30 again, but you never know with potential short squeeze coming with things happening. Yeah, so those are mainly the Neo and Baba are the two stocks I'm looking at this week. I think Baba is a great buy. If you have some money to buy Alibaba stock or even some long-term option calls, it's a great play right now. Um, yeah, this is not financial advice. I should probably say that. But also want to talk about what this channel is going to be a little bit. It's gonna be a lot of just talking about stocks, some other personal finance stuff I want to get into. I'm big into doing some personal finance at a young age. So on a channel similar, I really love Graham Stephen. He's a great inspiration. So a channel like his would be awesome. Just making videos like that, and I also have some cool video ideas coming up for the next couple weeks. Yep. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. If you did make it this far through, and have a good day, and I hope you make some money this week.